Hi everyone, my name is Utkarsh and I am currently working at Cyint Technologies as a trainee. So, I basically come from a background of digital forensics and I've always been passionate about cybersecurity and how digital forensic investigations are done. So, basically, from the day I started working here, I was given a proper practical approach. I was given hands-on training on different digital forensics tools, and I got to know multiple tools like TX1, Magnet Axiom, be it Intella for email investigations, and many more. So I also learned a lot about how the real investigation works, how we maintain the evidences, how we preserve them, how important the chain of custody is. So it was not just a domain specific experience, it was a complete overall experience. And if I talk about one of my favorite moment here, so it was when I was given opportunity to demonstrate the productivity and the need of digital forensics tools at some remote location. So that was a very great, it was a very good experience, and the team showed trust on me, and it really showed how supportive and dynamic the culture at Cyint is. And Cyint Technologies helped me not just improving my technical skills but also boosted my confidence on how to work at a high stake environment. So if you are someone who is seeking about career in digital forensics or cyber forensics, then I would recommend being a part of this family.